In today's demanding logistics environment, every second, every decision, and every kilometer matters. Meet VZoneTrack, the ultimate all-in-one fleet management solution, trusted across the GCC. Track your vehicles in real time and analyze past routes with trip playback to ensure operational transparency and accountability. Plan the most efficient routes and monitor fuel levels to cut costs and reduce emissions across your fleet. Identify drivers with secure login and monitor driving behavior to promote safety and performance. Stay informed with real-time alerts, from overspeeding to unauthorized Salik toll usage and non-business hour operations. Access vital vehicle health data with CANBUS and OBD integration. Enhance safety with smart dash cams, offering full visual coverage. Monitor load weight, cargo temperature, and passenger activity to ensure safety, compliance, and reliability. Automated service reminders and tire pressure monitoring reduce breakdowns and extend vehicle life. From GPS tracking to smart diagnostics, from driver safety to cargo integrity, VZoneTrack gives you full control. Optimize your fleet, reduce costs, drive smarter with VZoneTrack.